Good morning, student. Today again I will continue chapter 3rd, natural fibers, and continue the topic wool. In this topic, now I will continue extraction of wool. Extraction of wool means how wool is obtained from sheep. Now wool is obtained from the sheep by a long process, like they are having some steps: shearing, scouring, sorting, dyeing, combing and spinning. Now I will describe all these steps for obtaining wool one by one. Now first is shearing. Sheep having a thin layer of skin which is called fleece, which is removed from the body of sheep. Now the process of shearing. What is the process of shearing? The process of removing hair or cutting off hair from the body of sheep in the form of fleece is called shearing. The hairy skin of sheep is removed and it is used by the machine. The hair of sheep are cut off by using a cutting machine, like as it is used by barbers. The shearing of sheep is done in the hot weather of summer so that sheep may survive without their protective coat of hair. And the sheep of hair grow in winter and protect them in cold weather. Now woolen fibers are then proceed to obtain woolen yarn. Now the second process is scouring. The fleece of sheep means hair of sheep, wool of sheep. The fleece of sheep contain dust, dirt, dried sweat and grease, etc. It is cleaned by washing with soap or detergent and a lots of water in a tank. Now what is the scouring? The definition of scouring. What is the process? The process of washing and fleece cut hair of sheep that removes dust, dirt, dried sweat and grease is called scouring. The scoured fleece in them dried. Sorting. In this process involve grouping of wool according to its texture into categories of fleece, which forms of bulk, pieces, bellies. Means some parts of fleece have long wool fibers, whereas other have short wool fibers. Means some sheep has wool of different qualities. In shortening, the fleece is sent to the factories. Now, where it is decided that grade of the wool according to its length, texture, color, scale, structure of fineness, the other four categories are packaged and sold separately. Now, dyeing. The natural fleece, or we can say it hair of sheep or goat, is white, brown or black in color. The white woolen fiber obtained by sorting can be dyed. Dye किया जाता है in different colors. Now the next is final process. The fiber are straightened by putting them through rollers for the straightening to the wool, which are then stretched and twisted into a yarn. These yarn are wound to form balls of wool used for knitting or weaving wool. The long woolen fiber are spun into a thick yarn called wool, which is used for knitting and feathers. The short woolen fiber are spun into fine yarns and then woven on a loom to make woolen cloth like shawls, etc. From the above discussion, we conclude that the sheep's hair is sheared off from the body, scoured, sorted, dyed, combed and spun to obtain wool and woolen yarn for weaving woolen cloths. The quality of woolen cloths depend on the breed of sheep from which wool is obtained.